Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox VR less laggy. Start by adjusting your in-game Roblox graphics settings. Locate the graphics quality slider and move it to a lower setting, perhaps around 2 or 3 out of 10. Disabling shadows, reflections, and complex textures will also free up valuable resources, ensuring a much smoother experience during gameplay. Next, fine-tune your VR headset's resolution through its dedicated software. For instance, in Steam VR or Oculus settings, find the render resolution option and reduce it by 20 to 30%. While this may slightly soften visuals, it dramatically lessens the strain on your computer. You could also experiment with lowering the refresh rate from 90 Hz to 72 Hz for a noticeable performance boost. To further enhance performance, manage your computer's background processes. Before diving into VR, close web browsers, streaming services, and any other non-essential applications to free up RAM and CPU cycles. Always keep your graphics card drivers updated to their most recent version, as these often include critical performance optimizations. Additionally, disable overlays like Discord or NVIDIA GeForce Experience. A well-optimized computer is crucial for smooth VR. Confirm your system has at least 16 GB of RAM, as insufficient memory is a common cause of stuttering. Monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures. Excessive heat can throttle performance, so ensure good airflow. Finally, set your computer's power plan to high performance through your system settings, which ensures your components operate at full capacity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.